Hi, I'm Becca Ironside, and I'm a pelvic health physical therapist. I wanted to bring up some issues surrounding pelvic health awareness in men versus women. So there are vast inequalities in terms of the pelvic care which women receive and the pelvic care which men can receive from the medical community. So we as women, at around puberty, we begin to get our periods. And this can often prompt a trip to the gynecologist, starting in our teens. And from that point forward, there is a lot of focus in that region of our bodies. So our pelvic floors have to open up throughout the lifespan, and they're examined because any manner of things can happen with an area that has to open and close so regularly. Whereas with men, there is no such feature in puberty of a period. So what happens is the male pelvic floor remains closed pretty much throughout the lifespan. It has to open up to do three activities, and that is to pee, to poop, or to have sex. And those are the only three incidences where men are opening their pelvises. And as a result, there's just not enough attention placed on male pelvic health in terms of chronic pelvic pain in men. So if women have chronic pelvic pain, they have a vast array of resources. And it's not perfect, it's not enough. However, when a man has pain in his penis, testicles, or rectum, he has absolutely nowhere to turn. And furthermore, he has no one with whom to discuss this. So you can imagine the sense of isolation and fear that would be associated with any man with erectile difficulties, testicular pain, difficulty peeing, dribbling urine, constipation, or rectal spasms. So these men are sitting at home alone and they're terrified. They have no idea where to start. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to reassure you that you are, in fact, not alone. There are many such men with exactly your concerns who are sitting at home feeling scared as well. And a nice way to open up and discover more about this topic would be to get on a support group where you can be anonymous. One that I really like and espouse is a subreddit called Prostatitis. So this is a very safe and wonderful space where people could be completely anonymous. You can ask any questions, and furthermore, there's a wealth of information on this website about why penile, testicular, urinary pain and constipation occurs. Why is it happening? It's all on this website. It's an incredibly welcoming environment. And again, I want to reinforce to all the men out there, you are simply not alone. There are so many other people like you who are suffering. You don't necessarily have to get on Reddit, but it would help if you had a community of people with whom to talk. And the computer is a lovely way to do that because you are behind a screen and you can use a false name. So there is help for your condition out there, and I just want to spread awareness about the dearth of resources for male pelvic health, and I hope to see this change in the future. That is my goal, to see men feeling as though they have a voice and that they can speak of these very difficult, embarrassing, and yet common issues that afflict so many people out there. So best of luck to you. You're not alone.